Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I greet you all. This is Mama V, the Elicious Kitchen. I'm here again. I'm here again to give you people another true story. So I want to just upload this video, this story on my YouTube, so that you people can also learn from this story. It's a life story from someone, some of my subscribers that asked me to do the video. Please subscribe to Mama V Delicious Kitchen. Give me thumbs up. Press the notification button to the case anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person that will receive the alert. Thank you, my wonderful subscriber. Thank you, thank you. You have been doing the marvelous things. You share my video, you watch my video. God bless you for doing that. As you share my video, share it for all your platforms, share it for all your social media platforms. You can also share it on your Facebook, share my video on your WhatsApp group, share my video for your Instagram, any social media that you platform that you active on. Share it and support my work, support my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you as you share my video in Jesus name. So right now, if it is today you are coming across my video, try and watch my video. Try and watch from beginning to the end, so that you can learn from also some of the story I'm uploading here. Thank you very much, my wonderful subscriber. God bless you all. So the story come like this. There is one of my friends, where we are in living in Africa that time. I think it's about 16 years ago when we live in Nigeria. So this my friend, she's not from Edo, but she's my very good friend. This story that I'm about to say now happened to her. So now I'm now a YouTuber. She now say, okay, you can also share it for your platform so that people can also learn. Especially our men, this story you can also learn from it, because it's particular from our men or our young guys that is coming up. You can also learn from this story that I'm about to share now. So while the story come like this, there is this my friend that time. All of us was struggling how to have a greener pasture, how things will be fine for us, how we can fare, how we can be okay. So along the line, she now travel out of Nigeria to other Africa country. So I don't want to mention name anyway. I don't want to even mention the name of the country, but let me just bring the story here. So she now travel out of Nigeria to another Africa country like that. So now way there, he now met a guy also, but the guy is also from Nigeria. They are not the same, they don't speak the same language, but they are the same Nigeria, but not the same language, different dialect. Then I started dating themselves. So that time they begin date together, live as one, boyfriend and girlfriend. At least we are not in Nigeria, they were in Africa country, so we got to live together as one, as if we are a couple. But they haven't married yet, but they are just together. So this lady said along the line that time she will take him. When she take him, because the guy is still strong to meet up, to become somebody, he will say, my baby, no, there's nothing now. You know, we are still suffering. We are still ugly. We have to do abortion. We'll go and remove this okra. So that is how he have been removing the okra that time, because I think according to YouTube, there are something you don't have to say like that. So you have to abbreviate it. I hope people understand what I'm trying to say. So when the okra will come, before okra will grow, the guy will tell the girl to go and remove the okra. So she will just go there and cut the okra off. Not once, not twice, not three. Even she said up to 6 times something happened to her. The guy will say, go and remove it, because he loves the guy. Now I don't want to disobey the guy. It's okay, and a very good time, maybe they can come as husband and wife. He started doing all those things. But a time come in her life, she couldn't receive any okra again. Okra did not grow again. It didn't grow again. The thing didn't germinate again. They was waiting for this potato to grow. It will not grow. They waited for 1 year, 2 years. the potato does not grow. So she don't know what to do. They are even crying, even the guy. What is wrong? Before like this, we have been this. Why? Is it God now punish us for what we have done? Maybe now God is rewarding us back. Oh, we don't know. So after 2 years, God now bless the lady again. Another okra come grow. So when the okra grow, immediately the guy just tell the girl say, abeg go this time around, we not go touch this one. No, we not go remove this one. This one must come to stay. We can never temper this one. He say she sef agree. Say no problem my love. I say agree, we go relieve am because me sef I be don dey fear for over 6 years. For over 2 years, okra not grow again. But this one wey come so we not go touch am o. Say na so they come dey. So not going. Belle come the okra come enter 2 months. Now come say this one wey be say e come enter 2 months. Na but im own conscience dey judge am due to their tradition for the place wey need for come. E no be like other tradition wey you can have your baby out of wedlock anytime when there is money. If you don't have the opportunity of money to make your wedding that time when you meet your man, you can have your baby anytime you can do the wedding. But this particular side of Nigeria, they don't normally born, many of them, they don't normally like to born out of wedlock because of their culture. Because they will be mocking their parents in the village that go and look at your daughter, he born out of wedlock, this, that. So he said she started meditating, thinking, what I will do, what I want to do for this thing now. I will come go carry disgrace go give my family. I'll come bring disgrace come. No, he no fit again. This thing he must remove am. He must remove this apple. He must remove am. So he said I saw he come think am. He said so that day now he just dey meditate for him mind though. He not discuss am with anybody. Even the boyfriend will give am the okra. He no even tell am say he go remove am later. So he just say make this baby, just leave this belle today. Tomorrow in they go remove you. He no fit. He no want bring disgrace come to the family at all. He no want bring disgrace come. She want to just remove this thing so that she will be free. So that is how he was thinking. That along the line now in the night she said she now have a dream. She can't dream meet one very old woman in her dream. So the old woman come to her and say, my pikin, why you want come comot this okra now? Why you want come comot this okra? This child is a blessing from the Lord. You don't need to remove it. It's a gift. This child, it will come to give you blessing. This child is coming to give you wealth. This child is coming to give you, it will favor you. Don't touch past this baby. Just leave this okra alone. He says, okay. As he wake up, he not shock. Look at I don't even discuss this issue with anybody, not even the owner of the okra. Because for him mind, if the man go to work, before he come back, he go say, see what happen. But when he can't get this dream, like just like a revelation, fear not come let her temper the thing again. He can't live on like that. So now she can't do 1 month come pass, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. When he can't do the 6 months, now then the guy can finally call him because they don't be the same tribe, they don't speak the same language. Probably the people where they the country with the guy, where they be the same language, they don't mock and tire. So now this language people you want go marry, now this language people you want make it born for you. You see, sometimes tribalism is not good. It's not good. It doesn't help. So now the guy called and say, my darling, be like say this okra, you go remove am. Because the way I see her now, I'm not sure say I don't ready to become a father now. I'm not sure at all. Say I don't ready to become a father. You go just do as you want to do and just package yourself. You know fit. So I say when he can't tell her that word now, I say, my darling, no vessel. Now don't go area. You know they touch this thing. Lie, you know they remove her. You know they do. This pikin don't come. He must come to stay. You know they remove her. So I said I saw they call a battle. From there, character can't change. You know, say when man can't tell woman say he don't want this thing again. Character must change. Their character can't change. The guy can't maltreat them somehow. He can't do anyhow. Not can't do. He said, but on a normal day, when he never carry that okra for her body, he said the guy is a very nice guy. He's a very good guy. He shower her blessing, shower her gift. Anytime he go to work, if he's coming back, he will buy things for her, some of clothes, bag and shoes. The guy was just a caring guy. But just because of listening to some people that they say, now the boy can't change his mind. So they say he must remove that okra. Now she said there's nothing she can do. The okra don already grow. At least, how can he go just open eye, go remove wetin dey 6 months, 3 months to go? He no go fit, he no go remove am. He say na so they come dey. Before you know, fight today, fight tomorrow. So tey sef, the boy think say with the beat wey dey beat am, that okra must comot by force. He go use blow for am, punch back, dey hit am for where the pikin wey say dey come life, e dey come life. Nothing wey you go do, he must dey there. He must come to stay. So na so, no way. So na so they come do. That person come say okay, no problem. He don answer up, but on one condition: you must go to Nigeria to go and deliver this baby in front of my family, which is the guy mother, because the guy don't have a father anymore. He say you must go. You must go. Say cause okay, no problem, because he say he love the boy. Because say he love the boy now, he no wan hurt the boy. Anything we talk okay, apart from saying he say he no go remove that pikin, because he don't see revelation for dreams, so he no wan go against the word of God, because she be strong Christian. She's from Catholic. She's a Catholic family, so she's a very strong dedicated Christian. Say he will never abort that baby. That is how then that's okay. You have to go back to Africa, go and born this baby where my family is. It's okay. And so now he come pack in things, come pack Ikaya, he come enter road from the African country where they he can't go back to Nigeria. So as they go back, now the guy tell am say, as they go, so you go just go straight to my sister, my senior sister, the one wey senior me. No go village, oh. Just go and stay with my sister in the city. Say that say come comot true, he can go stay with his sister for village, for city, his senior sister. When he come there now, they come play. Say after some days, the boy mama, which is the mother-in-law, come from village, come city, come visit them. So as they come now all of them come there together, come they play. Even some of the clothes sef, when he bring come from Africa country sef, he still share some for the boy mama. He still share some for the boy senior sister, because now all those Hollandis wey be say dey expensive for Nigeria, so he can still share with them some of the wrapper wey bring come from Africa country. So na so they come dey. So with that anxiety now, my boyfriend mama come, make I go see greet am. So after 1 week now, where the mother-in-law wan go back, now he come beg and say, he come tell am say, mommy, I will follow you back to the village. You go follow me? Say yes, he go follow. So now he come the radio. So now from there, and the mama go tell him daughter, say, your brother will say one follow me. Oh, he say come okay, no problem. Say now where in the arrange the cloth. Now he say has now that in husband in boyfriend senior sister come meet her for where she dey arrange her cloth. She come and say, where are you going? Where do you think you are going? Where you dey go? He say cutlass say he wan follow mama go village. You wan follow mama go village? Okay, no problem. He say but for her mind, she no fit stop her make she no go. He no let her talk. Say no follow mama oh. I know wetin go happen later. He no let her talk. He no still let her tell her say go. But the reaction when the lady react, when it come to answer with that voice, hard voice, he say he no even reason her. Na so they come pack her, come follow him mother-in-law go village. When they come reach now, that first week everything was fine. Second week everything was fine. Even sef when he from the city where they dey, because it's still far from there, come reach where they go, because Port Harcourt now that him brother sister they stay. Before they from Port Harcourt come drive, come start. That time over stress, because the belly already grow. The belly already enter that kind 7 months plus. So the stress now he come dey. When he come reach now, he come be like say he come dey feel pace for all in belly round. He come dey purge, dey go toilet, and still purge. Now he come dey fear. Now there sef the mother come say, ah, waiting, why every time toilet? This one where you dey toilet, so you no understand. Oh yeah, come, not go toilet again. So now so you can't take carry her. You can't carry her to all those our midwife where they village, where they massage pregnant woman, where they massage them, they take care of their baby, all those midwife. So you can't carry her go there. So the midwife they can't explain, give her say, ah, make the midwife take care of in his son, baby mama, make he take care of family. Can never put money for the girl head. Make he help her so that make this pikin make he born her safety. So now so then every morning he go carry and go there. In the evening, he go carry and go there. Then go come do massage, come do everything. So along the line now, he said the mother-in-law, he dey sell for market, he dey trade for market, for village market. So he say if he want comot. So village no be say na just typical village like that o. Na village wey still be say still be like city somehow, but different from where the brother sister dey. The brother sister dey other place. So na so na he come dey. He say if you wan go market, in the morning when because she dey pray, she a very strong Christian. In the night she go first pray before she sleep. In the morning when he go still wake up, he go still do morning devotion before he wake up. So that day come reach now, as early in the morning he come kneel down dey pray to God. He say as he come dey pray. Say before you know, the mother-in-law don dey vex. Say now wow, you be pastor, now wow, you be this. He come dey vex for am. The next thing he come say okay, abeg, make him just ready fast, make he come outside because he dey go market. So he say na he come dey happy say, ah, mama, I wan follow you go market. He say no, you no dey follow am go anywhere. Na outside you go dey, dey go market when he come. He say okay o. He come lock am for outside, he come comot go market. He come dey outside with belle, 7 months pregnant, 7 to 8 months belle, but belle don already due. He come leave am. He go hungry one mama ran die. But people now, the people wey still dey the house, wey be say they still dey do provision store, restaurants wey dey the neighborhood. Some of them come still pity her, to come give her food she go eat. So when in the evening when the mother-in-law go come, the boy mama go come, he go come open door, she go come enter house. If he enter, I no go even want something that she eat, nothing. Say he can't do am one day, second time, fourth time, not be 1 week. He say no fit go die. Because he know the stress when he already there already, waiting from far place come that place. Say now he can't come out. The place where he go show where they massage belle na, he can't go there. So as he reach there, I can't explain, give the woman, say see wetin dey o. He no know wetin do his boyfriend mama o. Anytime we be say he dey comot go market, he dey always lock her outside. He dey only lock her outside. They lock her outside. No dey let her enter outside. Food no dey leave for am. Na people sef wey dey the street, the compound wey still dey kind, na dem come dey give am food because say she get belle. How can a pregnant woman will stay with empty stomach from morning till evening when im mother-in-law come back from market? So I say come okay, no problem. He go meet her. Say the woman come even vex. He go still meet that same woman, tell her say if that pikin wife come today, make you no treat am again, make you no massage im belle again, make you leave am. He say na he come say he no go feel. Na if I carry this woman come tell me say na your pikin wife will say the woman na dey help your pikin for that country where dem dey before. Now na see the condition wey dey make she try help. Na you go still come now say make she no help the woman. They say the woman say the midwife say lie, he no go fit do this thing wey you talk. He say they can't even quarrel sef. Say wetin be your own? The belle na im pikin own, no be your pikin own. He tell you do say as you go do am, but the midwife say lie, he no go take am from that woman because he sef be grandmother. Say na so the woman come comot. So when the girl come finally come now he come say he come ask am wetin dey happen between you and your mother-in-law. He come here so time see wetin he come tell am make him abandon you, but she no agree with am o. You no agree. Say he come say he no know wetin he do o, because if he dey pray, he go dey vex, make him get up for that prayer. When they pray, make him come and he want lock door. As he want lock, they want comot. So he say na so they come dey. Say but now he don tire, he no fit again. He come beg the midwife, abeg make you no abandon am. This pikin, he don too suffer. Right from the Africa country, now he carry the belle come here. He no want miscarry this baby, he want born this baby. Abeg. Say the woman say no problem. The woman come see the massage am. say this period he no come get money again. He no know what he want can do, but she can't say he can't carry two of her wrapper, which is Olandis wey still remain for her hand. He can't give the midwife, say make you take this one, I beg make you dey massage me until when I go born. Na so she can't dey do am. So he say if you still reach that woman place, he go come cook for her, she go come eat. After she don eat finish, he go come massage her, she go come relax. Later in the evening, he go come dey go. I say when he come too much, he say no fit again. Wetin he no wan come just kill himself for nothing. Make he kuku go back for where she dey come from. He say but he no get money no dey her pocket, because the bag wey he leave for Port Harcourt, money dey inside, but the one wey he carry follow body come village, e don already finish. So from there na he come meet the midwife wey dey massage her. Tell her say to say she get money today na she go leave this village wey he dey, go back to where he for dey come. He go comot. He say okay. Now the midwife say no problem. He can't go house tomorrow. Make you come back, come do massage, no problem. Say she can't go back. Say the next day again, I see you see they do that morning devotion when you they pray again. The woman you the type and make him finish prayer, make him get up, make him come out. You want lock down they go, make him take anything wey no say he want take for inside house, because I seen they come out, so in the locking, they're not gonna leave the door open. He say now there he can't just stay vest nation. Pack all it is when he bring come. I see the packer they come and the woman they follow and drag her. No, not drag her. You know if you come give me here food, you know they give me. You know my condition. I get belle. You see they punish me, Jonah. Make him pack it is they go. So now I say he can't succeed pack all her things will remain. He can't go. Where should they go? You know where should they go? She can't go go back to that midwife where they massage her pregnancy. Say he can't go there. When she can't go there, I can tell the mama say, see what you know, pack on you know they go back to that house again. You know one die with this baby for belle. The worst can come well. If you see any money, go leave this village this today. Say na the woman say okay, no problem. You want come and say yes. Say na so the woman can carry 2,000 naira. So that time that was 16 years ago. Can't carry 2,000 naira. You know say her money get value that time. He can't give her. He said with that 2,000 naira, now he just pack on load. He can't go bus garage. He can't enter bus with carry go back. So he said that's so he can't go. He said I see before he reach there, he already call the pikin when they stay with for city, which is his boyfriend senior sister. Their mama already call and say see said he can't everything. So now so he can't reach there. He said when he can't see reach, now that one can't receive him. He can't see explain to that one, say see what happen. That one can't say okay, no problem. Making a task, now so she can't a task. He said never reach 2 days. The next thing, her mother-in-law from village come meet them for Port Harcourt. He said as he just come down for board, they drop back, they come. His daughter just set her for gate. Now so his daughter just run go meet him mama. He just need that butu. He just dey on knee, they beg his mother, mama please, mommy please, mama I beg, forgive her. This pikin no be our own. Na another language. And they say na come with us. May we take care of her with her pregnancy. Mama beg, forgive this woman. He say pikin come dey beg him, mama need down dey cry. When he come say person wey get mama need down dey cry. Now she say with her pregnancy, she go need down too. With her belle, he go need down. Join the brother sister. Come dey beg the mama. When they come they beg, they come they cry, two of them before the woman come say okay, no problem. Make them get up. So now they come enter house. He said they still enter house, he not finish there. Now the woman come to say, no problem, he don't forgive you, but my pikin will never marry you. You will have this child for us, but my son will never marry you. Say he come say okay, oh, no problem. He say later now the woman come go back to village. Now he come look the kind life when he come dey, he no come dey comfortable. That's why he come carry him back. Na so he can call the boyfriend senior sister say auntie he want go back to his parents because she said she get mama but she not get papa again. He want go to meet him mama for their village, so make him just go there, maybe there go better for am when go born the pikin. He say so na then na the brother get the boyfriend sister come carry phone. He come call him brother for Africa country. Where he come call her na I come say your girlfriend saying they come on going mama place. So now I say the boy come and say no auntie, no let her come out. Oh, they not be mama place they go. He know in woman where he know in girlfriend. He know what he go fit do. He know what he go fit do. I beg, if money follow and come, he still tell me say some money still dey her bag. Wetin you go just do now on behalf of her? Make you go open that bag wey dey inside your room, go remove the money wey dey, so that make you no see money take enter road. E no dey go im mama place, e dey come meet me for the Africa country where I dey. So im just dey tell you so. He know wetin that woman go fit do, because na she with her dey here for long. She know how very well. So make she not let her take that money, come meet her back, make go collect the money. So he say when the brother come tell her like that, na there he come say okay, no problem. But as a woman, the woman say lie, he no go fit take that money because she said she be woman. He no go take her. Say na he come call her. As he come call her now, I come tell her say my sister, see wetin my brother tell me. Oh, he say money dey your pocket, your bag, your traveling bag. Make I go remove the money because you are not going to your mother's house that you dey come meet her for Africa country where they na dey. So make him go take her so that make you dey stranded, make you no see money take comot. He say he tell the boy say but no problem, but he no go take her. He come tell her say he no go take the money because she said she be woman. Say no dey go. He wan go back to him mama. Say na say come take pack all his things. As he pack his things comot for there, true he just comot. Na he enter the next available bus wey dey comot. Before you know, she don see herself for border town. Na so no so that he come dey maneuver dey go. The last transport fare when he come get that time, belle sef e don almost reach 9 months. E don almost reach 9 months. E go born today, born tomorrow. Now the belle don already be, don pass, e don overripe. So now he come enter. Say when he come reach the border of the country where they stay that time, na I no wan mention name. So now her money come finish. When her money finish now, he no fit see money to maneuver again. Say he come get one necklace where she get na gold. Now she come carry the gold necklace, come sell am for border there. So as she come sell am now she come take enter transport reach house. He say as the boy just see am, hey, the next thing I talk am. He tell the sister say you dey come meet am. My sister not believe. I talk am. You see am now. He say the boy say he no go enter this house. So na so the boy just dey drive van. He say he no go enter this house, no space for am again. He can't drive am come. Say well, he no still bother. So she get one friend, one Africa country lady, but not be that country. Another Africa sister again for the way be her best friend. He say she can't go that woman house. So when she come there with that woman now, he say and her leg now, say pregnant woman will be say she don't ripe to born. Her leg can swell up. Her leg can swell up like this. People wey don't fit get belle now know what they talk. So her leg can swell up budi. He say so that her friend now, he can't carry hot water, warm one, not too hot. He can't put her for bucket, busy. He can't pour salt inside. Say make she put her leg. Say so that so she can't put the leg for inside the warming water. The water he can't massage her, help her massage the leg, massage the foot. Before you know, he can't do okay small. So the next day now he can't follow and they make them go meet his boyfriend together. The woman can't follow and reach there. He said, oh, they can't reach now. Now the boy can say, na there you come see that her leg will swell up. Now so this leg be yesterday. He say, hey now, and I say it be now. Not be when they come from Nigeria, Africa country before you come reach here. He still reach here now. You see driver. So now you they see this my leg. Sorry people. Say cause okay, no problem. Now they come carry her go hospital. They come treat, give her medicine when he go drink, give her cream when he go rub. They come see test the baby, do X-ray for am. Look whether the baby dey okay for belle. They can't do X-ray or ultrasound for her. When they can't do her ultrasound, I can't say the baby dey fine, dey okay. They can't like say she go deliver 19 days or 20 days. She go deliver. They say the pikin already due, so they can't give her date. Say because he said that he must deliver before 20 days from that day when they go hospital. They can't tell her. So now they can't call her. So they never can reach that 20 days. I know say daughter not be God. Even happen to me. Like my first daughter, they tell me say I go born on the 10 and no on the 8th. I go born the 10. And that is how it is. So now you know can reach that 20 days where doctor talk now. Labor can dey worry her. Now they can rush and go back to hospital. Before she know now, she can deliver her baby. Come put to bed. Come born bouncy baby boy. So as he born this bastard baby boy now they come carry the come house, they come dey. Before you know, 3 days when she born, according to her. Now so they called them from their border, which is the border town where they dey. They receive call. Say some people dey border here. Oh. Your papa, your mama, your sister dey border here. They go call the boy in baby father. Say mama with him elder sister then dey border. So they come ask her say whether make them let them in. Say so verse nation now will be say they no even tell the guy say that they come. They no even inform the guy say that they come meet the guy for the African country where they dey. So they just pack their load for Nigeria. They carry come. The boy come verse say like they must stay that border there. He no go carry them. He no stay for there. They no go come here house. So now she said come they beg the boy. Come they cry, they beg, I beg. He beg you. Because if you don't go carry the now my head everything go there. You know our African mother now. Maybe like because of saying he suffer away come Nigeria. 9 want pay am back when they come here. So he say come they beg the boy. Say I beg. Make it go carry mama. Make it cut as he go bring her mama come with her sister. With his sister, he come they beg. So from there now, after 4 days or so, he said the boy can't carry phone, can't call Tazi, make Tazi go border town, make go carry his mama with his sister, come. And so they come there. He said when they come, that time I don't already enter about 8 days where she deliver. Say come see wahala and then kasala boss again. He said his mother-in-law, early that morning like this, he go just carry kind because when they come, carry ogogoro follow body. Cause this our local drink what they call kind for Nigeria. What they call kind akpokavin. Go just carry am. He said the woman go just drink. The next thing, he go begin a paro. Say, you can my son can never marry you. My son can never marry you. You don't born this pikin fine. My son will never marry you. He say go just call his son. My son. This country where you do so, you don't see your language people. You don't see your language people marry. You can't be saying that this language girl now other tribe now you can't go marry. No, you no go. You don't both the pikin. Yes, but you no go marry this girl. Go find a language girl marry. Not be this girl. So saying that so they can't they crying newborn, stress everywhere. Say the boyfriend will be say you know he hot time. He can't change character. He not come dey behave well again. Come dey dance to her mother too. Before you know, this boy go carry another girl, different girl go carry come house. He will come show him mama na my girlfriend believe this one, this one. His mama go dey happy put. So na so one day, now he say they come meet him. Say, you must go. You must leave this house. He say, and before then, as they don't carry their wahala come that time, he no come dey enter kitchen again because he just get out for mind. Say make he no come be one day knife in the cook now. While I come boss now say belle come dey pay him husband. They'll say now he want kill the guy. He say no come enter kitchen, but then go cook. He said that pot where they cook. Now she said we go see deep hand. He go see take she go eat. He said no be one day now the boy come for belle come dey worry the boy. The boy come dey sick. No be small matter. He said the belle come dey worry the boy. The boy come dey sick. Every sickness. Say now they come call ambulance. They come rush and go hospital. So as they reach hospital now they come to treat the boy there. He said the boy don't do hospital. If you sick kasala for house, the mama with the sister, will be sister be not joined there before. But when that boy come to sick, never let the worry and I enemy don't the point of that. Now sister can't join her mother, can't begin to insult her. See if our brother die, if my brother die, if my pikin die, inside this room, now they go kill you, bury you, nobody go come. Now so they go do you. Make the first thing first. Make anything happen to their brother. You say, hey God. He makes second. If these people kill and bury and nobody go come. He just say there, say, oh God, answer my prayer. He say, now one day the thing come too much for her. Now she can't cry. She dey inside room. She come dey cry. Say from then I come, as he cry finish, say na so he go just dey this life. Which thing need do people? As she small, reach dey experience this kind thing. It's okay. Oh. After when he cry, now he come fall sleep as the baby don't sleep. He say as he just close his eyes small, he just dream. Coffee just dey come their parlor. Coffee just dey come their parlor. The coffee just don't come land for their parlor buy. For inside dream, oh, say na so she wake up. What if be this one? He say when he wake up, na so she begin pray. Violent prayer. She come dey pray. He say she pray, dey shout, dey cry. Make God help am. Make God, if you know, it be sake of with sake of her daughter, her son. Make God help am. Make it be say this boy well. Make it be say this boy well. Make that coffee where they break under her back to sender. Back to sender. He say come dey pray. Make God favor her. Make God favor this his son when born for this boy. Make he have mercy on her and that boy when he born for this boy. Make it because of and do miracle. Make that boy well for that sick bed wey dey for hospital. He come dey pray violent prayer, not be small thing. He dey pray, say I saw them they mock her for parlor. Then he no worry in the inside sitting room, the bedroom. He dey pray. As she pray. Say before you know, after 2 days, now so they can't receive call for hospital. Say the boy don't well low. He said they receive call say don't well. Now so she can't dey praise God. Glory be to God. Glory be to God. Now so they can't come back to house. So when they come decide, but now mama can say with his sister, say your prayer work, oh God save you. Your prayer really work. God save you. Say na so come dey look there. So you never see finish for there. Oh. Now then they come say, oh yeah. Now their brother don't wear now. You must leave this house today. Say cause no problem. He no go take his hand carry load. If you want make him leave this house, now I go see you na hand carry my load. If not, I cannot carry any load from this house. Now so they say he never take. Now so the boy mama carry in property. He throw am out. He go ask the boy which one be thief for here. The boy go talk. He go bring her out. His sister go follow join. Now so all of them come take carry the load come out for his house. As the carry her come out finish, nice of back in baby for back. She back her baby for back. Come carry the things wey fit carry. He say come go her friend place. That her Africa country friend wey first go meet that time we come back from Nigeria when her leg swell up when the boy drive her. He say she gonna go meet am again. He say when she come reach there now, he come dey cry. He said that night sef na evening time night come the pikin cry till daybreak. Say come dey wetin happen na come tell say no problem. Me go take care of am, take care of the pikin because the woman dey do business. Say na so she come dey with that woman. The woman come dey take care of them. And God come even dey bless the woman business. Her business come dey boom. She come dey sell. Because the woman and these people wey dey go country wey still near where dem dey, they will go buy like wrapper, Hollandaise, those things. They sell for people bag and shoe. Now even the guy hand sell, now the boy dey buy bag and shoe for am before wey dem dey good things. So say the woman market come dey boom. The woman come dey take care of farm. Say no worry, you are a lucky woman. Since when are you with your pikin come this house now? Her market don't boost. Now they make sales, they make profit. So the woman come take care of farm. So say before you know, that woman, that boy, which is his father baby, his baby father, that's the baby father. Later, the mama will come from Nigeria and I come carry the boy, carry his sister, say make them go back to Nigeria. All of them come relocate to Nigeria, both the boy, and so they can't go. So they see that now incident with this woman, the woman take care of her. So he can't get where the pikin grow rich. The pikin can't grow small like 2 years, 3 years. He say now the woman can say as it dey, so she not go fit continue like this. They struggle this baby along. What is she go do? He go give her money, make carry this pikin go out Nigeria, go give her mama so that make her mama take care of this baby before she go come back to Africa country again, come find what she want do for her life. He say nice, so he can't do. He can't carry the baby, he can't carry and go back to Africa. When he can't carry the baby boy go back to Africa now, he can't come back again. So as he can't come back, carry the baby boy go Nigeria, although na Africa anyway, can't carry and go back to Nigeria now, he can't come back again. So when he can't come back now, the woman can't see the woman can't do business there. You know, say that boy now wey get the pikin now, he don already dey Nigeria already, and that love still dey. She still love that boy. So he say anything when he still dey do, still dey call the boy, they give her update, tell her wetin he dey do, tell her wetin he no dey do. Say because that love still dey there. He no fit just condemn the boy because say mama come play that road for their side, their center. But he still dey tell the boy everything, see wetin he want. So na so connection come take come. People where they carry person from that Africa country go Europe. Now he say he go because he not get wetin they do again. And him boyfriend wey with am they live, they struggle together. They don't carry and go Nigeria. So he go. So now he come carry for call the boy to tell us say see wetin in the do, we want do. So now so he not come say now she come enter Europe. He come enter Europe. When he come enter Europe now, he come to see they call the boy, the pikin dey with her own mother. Before you know, the boy still go meet him own mama, he go deceive him mama again, carry the pikin run. Because he say maybe if he carry the pikin that time now, all the own money wey go dey work for Europe na go dey pump am go give. He no still worry, he leave am. The pikin come dey with the boy. So when the boy come say go no go na Nigeria no be Nigeria since that time. Now the boys kuma come see enter road, come dey come Europe. The boy come see enter Europe. So that opportunity and the pikin na come dey the boy mama hand. So as we dey talk now, the pikin dey with the boy mama and the boy come mama come take care of the pikin. So those stories that where you dey talk since the corner make people take learn, because nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Let people learn from this story. If you are a young guy, you are going with a lady, you want to marry that lady, be your country person, not be your country person. Your language person, not be your language person. If you love that woman, remove your mother out of that woman's life. Remove your brothers and sisters out of that woman's life. Because now you go bear your, now you go carry your cross. Nobody will carry your cross with you. The time when it is sweet on you, when it not sweet on you, not go see anybody. So make you dey your home. Marry your woman where you want marry. Just don't listen to anybody. Except say the woman not good. Now you go say okay, you don't want to. So now, the woman don't finally reach Europe now. God can still bless the woman. He can jam another man, and the man come with the same language with the woman. In with the man come marry. The man come pay bride price, do everything. So as I'm speaking, now the woman, she's finally happy married to another a humble man that is taking care of her right now. So now the guy is still strong about it tomorrow. Now, nothing to write about now. Even the so-called mama who beat this woman, treat her bad with pregnancy of his son that time. Now the woman now, this my friend, and I can take care of that woman not tomorrow. How I tell you take care of her? Because his daughter, his son already there with the woman, which is that first child when he born that time for Africa country. The boy there with the woman for village now. So the boy now don't already grow. The boy is 16 years old now. So no, it's more than 16. Let me say 16 years. Now she now they say feed the money every month go give that old woman for village. So now under this woman where they say now make it not marry and not be the same language. Under the woman and the woman the old woman can they feed now. Even all in children, all of them abandon the woman, both the grandchildren. They abandon her because they say the woman is a very harsh woman, is a very diabolical woman. All of them run from her. As I'm speaking now. Now laying with that boy where they with her, which is this my lady baby. Where both Africa country where they with her, and I be the only picking we get now. So every month this woman they go the same money give that old woman for Nigeria where they eat. So we don't know tomorrow. That is where we always make parable. Say no one knows tomorrow. If you say this woman, this boy, mama no say that this lady because they give her water they drink for her old age. Maybe that treatment where you treat the woman, if you not treat her bad. To say she really knows say that this woman will come they give her food they eat now. If you not treat her bad, you see her now. So we don't know. Sometimes our mother go drive our real wife come off our body. Later we'll go marry the wrong wife. Now our mother fought and our fault will listen to our mama. Sometimes our mother go drive our real husband come off our body. Not marry this man no good though, not just you. But at the end, if you leave that man where be say God be saying na your own, where be say God be saying na the rims na take create you go suffer. You no go see man wey go put you for us again. If you don't go another second one, go come. Because Benedict can make parable say when woman say this is the third husband that I'm going with, no say that the woman not get character. It's still there for man. If you man say this is the third wife, this is the third baby mama I'm having, then we still say the man doesn't have character. Because if the man get character, first wife no stay, and the second wife supposed to stay. That's how it be. If the woman still get character, first one I mistake. As you not stay that first husband, the second husband supposed to stay. So now where it be. Make we dey learn for people mistake. This story now, I hope now you people will still listen to it proper and still take from some insight to do what you are doing that is not right. Not everything that we'll be telling our mother about our relationship concerning husband and wife. Not everything. We got to learn how to keep our secret to ourselves. When your marriage is sweet, try to eat it alone. When your marriage is also bitter, try to eat it alone. If to say that brother and not send that woman go back to Nigeria and make go born with mama, all those kasala when I dey explain since we for not see how they explain. I beg, let us learn how to keep our relationship strong, please, so that we will not be experience such kind of story that I'm just saying now. Thank you, my people. Now hear this story for end. Thank you. Glory be to God. The woman, she's finally happy. She married with beautiful kids. She have children now, and her husband as well. They are together. So she tell me to bring this story out to people so that they can also learn from it. I hope you people will learn good things from this story I just narrated. Thank you. God bless you. If it is the first time you are watching my video, please press the subscribe button. Press the subscribe button. I know many people don't know how to subscribe. Let me just display it here. How to subscribe. Let me display it on my phone here. Because many people, when I say subscribe, some say, I don't know how they subscribe you, Mama V. I don't know how to press it. Oh, how will I subscribe? Let me just display it so that you can see where you're supposed to touch for your subscribe. Let me show you. I'm coming. Pardon me, guys. Okay. Pardon me, guys. Let me show you the video that I haven't subscribed for, so that I will show you on my screen how you can go about subscribing for people. Subscribe for Mama V Delicious Kitchen. Wait though. Okay. You see this thing now, my people. This one. This thing that is here. You see it? Where they write subscribe. You will touch it like this. As you touch it now, you see this button here now. This is the notification button. You will press it here. As you press it now, the three will come out. You see it? This one that they write all. You will touch it like this. Now I've subscribed to this person now. So this is how they subscribe. To the case anytime I put a new video, you will be the first person that will see it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Subscribe to my channel. Share my video. As you share it, God will bless you in Jesus' name. If they say that anyone that's yesterday I make a video of celebrate. As you are sharing my video, you are celebrating me. Share my video for all your WhatsApp contacts, all your WhatsApp group. Send it, let them watch my video. Let them also take some sense out of what I'm saying. Share my video. Subscribe to Mama V Delicious Kitchen. I will be also cooking as well. You will still be seeing it. And you can still go to my wall. Look all the video I've uploaded there. I bake cake for some. I cook for some. You can see that's why you can watch. I also broadcast for some, the way I'm broadcasting now. So thank you very much. God bless you. Subscribe to Mama V Delicious Kitchen. Bye.